Keynote 101. First, choose a blank presentation, then have students choose a blank screen using the plus sign on the bottom left-hand side. From here, you have a few buttons that will be helpful. The paintbrush is where all the fancy stuff happens. And anytime we want to add something, we hit the plus button. To add an image, press the picture. Using the shape button, you can add many different kinds of shapes, and by double tapping on them, you can add text within them. I chose a picture for my background. The blue dots on the outside are called handles, and they help determine which layer I am working with. I added another image that I would like to animate after. My first step is to get rid of the white background. I can tell I'm working with that image because the handles are on the outside of that image of the grasshopper. To get rid of the white background, I am going to press the paintbrush. From here, I want to press the button that says Instant Alpha. When I tap on the white background, it will read the color that I want to eliminate so that it becomes transparent. I may need to zoom to get all of the background. When I'm done, press the blue done at the bottom. When I'm done, I drag the handles from the corner diagonally to shrink the object and move it to where I want it to be located. When I double tap on that image, the black bar will appear above and I can animate. From here, I want to add an action. Tap on Add Action. To create a path, press Create Path and draw your path with your finger. To add additional actions, press the plus button and you can create a series of animations. You can control duration and transition by tapping on the path or action button at the bottom. And then press Record Audio. Press the record button and insert. You're going to want to press on Start Audio with the build-in. Tap on where it says On Tap and switch that to With Previous Build. You'll notice a blue ring appears outside the sound icon. You're going to want to tap on that to get to the animation features. I am hopping, hopping, hopping. To add a speech bubble, press the plus button and add the shape. Double tap to add text. You're going to want to group your speech bubble with the character you've animated so it travels together. You're going to need to use 2 index fingers. With 1 index finger, press down on the speech bubble, tapping and lifting your finger and then putting it back down again. While it's still on the speech bubble, tap on the item you want to animate it with. You do not want the blue dots on the outside of the picture like I have here, or you will group all 3 of those images together, the background, the character, and the speech bubble. If that happens, tap outside on another area of your screen to make sure all of the handles are gone, and then start again. Tapping on the speech bubble and lifting your finger and then put it down again, and then while still having that index finger on the speech bubble, tap on the item you want to animate. Now you should have 2 items that you want to be grouped together, highlighted with the hand. You'll want to group these together. And now your box will look like this. It will include all of the items you want to have animated together. I am hopping, hopping, hopping.